Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you the two ways to start a new Word document, from the Start menu and from the File tab. Let's begin with the Start menu. Open up your computer and from the desktop, click on the Start button. And from the menu that pops up, you can either search for the Word program or click on it. If it's pinned to the top as it is here, just click on it to launch the program. And from here, click on the blank document template and start typing. And that is how you start a new Word document from the Start menu. Next, we'll take a look at how you start a new Word document when Word is already open. So let's close this. If Word is already open, go to the File tab and then click on the blank document template and start typing. And that is how you start a new document when Word is already open. That's it for now. Remember to save your work. Thank you for watching.